Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Brad, golden na talaga ikaw. By the way, ako pala si Rosan, ang igsuon ni Sis Rhea diha. Ang nahabilin niya nga igsuon nga naa diri sa Saudi. Wala akong masyadong maalala kung anong mga memories na naging kasama ko si Brad Wilmer. Yung nagkasama lang kami nung pumunta ako sa kanila doon sa Damam. At makikita mo naman na, nakikita ko kung gaano ka bait, gaano ka huwarang ama, gaano ka huwarang asawa sa kanyang mapagmahal na asawa na si Rhea at sa kanyang mga anak. Pagpatuloy mo yan, Brad, at saka sa pagiging pagserbisyo niyo sa Panginoon, sa Copos for Christ, na sana ipagpatuloy ninyo. Hindi na talaga mapipigilan ng edad, Brad. 50 anyos ka na. Ha? Nandiyan pa. Di talaga ako marunong paano magsalita. Pero kailangan kong magsalita. Andito na nga, nagsalita na nga ako. So, ang wish ko para sa iyo, Brad, na sana God will give whatever wish, kung ano ang meron sa puso nyo, na sana magkaroon na kayo ng PR dyan. Na sana magkasama din tayo kung makapunta man ako dyan sa inyo. Happy birthday ulit, and God bless you and enjoy your day. Golden na golden ka na. Huwag mong ipagold yung yung tuhod mo. Pigilan mo yung tuhod mo para makalakad-lakad pa ng mahaba-haba. Tsaka alam ko marami ka ng mga nararamdaman dyan. So diet lang ng konti. At tsaka enjoy kayo dyan ng kapatid ko. And more power sa inyong lahat dyan na sana ibigay ni Lord ang desire ng puso ninyo, ng pamilya ninyo. Happy birthday! God bless! See you all, sis. Humana ko sis ha. Lisod di kayo magstorya. Piskot nang ihatag ni mga trabaho sa ako, may pahaimo na lang kung palutuon, kaya ko pa. Bitaw sis, pag-enjoy, amping dira, diet ha. Okay, bye-bye. Happy birthday ulit.
Dong si Bibi Habagat ni wishing you a happy golden birthday karong tuiga. No? 50 years young. Hello, good day to you, Dong. This is your Tita Dali from Manapa. Wishing you the best of health, the best good health. Happy birthday. Happy tagyo ni mong birthday karong December 23 imong birthday o ika-50. Katuig na dahil ni mo dong. Dugay-dugay na yung gawa ka ulit doon sa Manapa. Ulit sabi rin bisitahin sa Pidong. Inumdum ko dong. Sa gamay pa ka. Ako'y magwantay sa imo. May mga buhangin din mo na imong ihamoy. Malipat kong bantay ni mo dong. Ang nainom naman sa imo dong. Pagin ka. Responsible yung kakayo nga manoy. Nakatrabaho kang EPC, o dahil mo kang SQ chairman, sa Manapa, o nagbilid ka waiting shed dito sa crossing. Pero karon nawala na, kaya nakuha man sa widening. Mga na dong. Good. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Hello everyone, I am Agnes Bahaw Habagat Badana from Manapa, Buenavista, Agusan del Norte, Philippines. Dong, my dear cousin, you are going to celebrate your birthday. I am wishing you a good health, prosperity in your life, and also a happy family. A very happy birthday, Dong. So, I think makainomdom ka ni, kakita ka ni, makainomdom ka ni, this is the thing nga atong duhaan diri sa Manapa sa una, diri sa Baybayon. So, kanang hinaot nga, hatagan pagdagang taas nga kinabuhi, labi na gyud nga naakadiha sa gawas, take care always. And niara ka nami diri sa Manapa, mag-support ra nimo. And also, God bless also your family. That's all.
Hello, good morning. I'm Neil Habagat. I am the cousin of Wilmer Bahaw. Dong, as we call you, diri sa Manapa, I'm wishing you a happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your golden years. And we are here. We will reminisce our memory here in Manapa as we find this sun diri sa ato ang baryo. I hope makabalik ka diri puhon and di na siguro ta magdula og balas. Ang atong kuan is magstorya na lang ta sa atong mga kagahapon and full of laughter, so that we reminisce our memory here. A happy birthday, Dong, and God bless you more.
Hello, have a good day. Si Manay Rian eh. Short message lang para kang Dudong Wilmer sa iyang adlaw na tawhan. Ang di jud nako makalimutan sa imong sa una sa gagmay pata kusog kayo kamukaon og balas. Kanang buhangin imong yung puniton ug imong isulod sa imong baba. Sa imong greatest achievement para nako ang imong pagka-barangay SK chairman. Ang akong wish lang yun sa imo karon sa imong adlaw na tawhan, sa imong ika-50 ka tuig din sa kalibutan is magmalipayon ka kanunay, malambuon kauban sa imong pamilya, ug especially good health. God bless. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday sa you.
Hello, I'm Joselito Bahaw, cousin of Wilmer. There are memories from childhood that stay with us for a lifetime. And one of those memories is you, Dong Wilmer. Kada weekend og bakasyon sa eskwela, moadto jud ko sa balay ni Napapaigi og Lola Mina diha sa daplin sa dagat, diin ang kahayag sa adlaw ug ang humok nga hangin murag nagdala og kalipay sa tanan. And in those quiet, simple days, I always enjoyed spending time with you. Gamay pa kaniadto, mga 4 to 5 years old, hilumon, himos, pero puno sa kainit sa imong pahiyom. That smile reminded me that even now, that joy can come from the simplest, purest places. As life went on, our journeys took different paths. Ikaw uban sa imong pamilya, nagpuyo na sa abroad, building your dreams, facing challenges, and standing strong for those you love. And even from afar, makita gihapon namo ang imong kaayo, imong pagka-responsable, imong lig-on nga kasing-kasing. Today, as you celebrate your 50th birthday, allow me to honor you, Dong Wilmer. You are a man of quiet strength, gentle character, and unwavering love for your family. I pray that the Lord blesses you with wisdom, protection, and continued success. May this new chapter bring you deeper peace, greater joy, and a life filled with grace. Happy 50th birthday, Wilmer. May God bless you always, and I hope to see you again soon.
Hello,
Hello,
everyone!
everyone!
Hello, Tito Wilmer. Happy
50th.
birthday!
We are the Jimena family. My name is Tito Mars Jimena.
I'm Shane Nicole Jimena.
And I'm Tita Mai Jimena. Today, we're gonna share our one of our memories, favorite memories, being with you and with your family here when you were still in Jeddah. And one of our favorite memories with you is during our household and fellowship gatherings. Those moments were filled with laughter and real conversations, and that kind of a joy of only truly friendship brings.
Today, I want to take a moment to acknowledge the impact you've had in our life. Your kindness has encouraged us, and your wisdom has shaped the way I see the world. I truly appreciate the role you played in our life, and I'm grateful for everything you shared with us. Even though miles lie between us, your presence stays close to our hearts. Today, we pray that every door you've been knocking in Canada opens wide for you. I know your hearts carries worries, the uncertainty of your status in Canada, the fear that your dreams might slip away, the thought of having to return to the Philippines without the answer you've been hoping for. But listen, Tito, God has already walked ahead of you. He knows the plans He has for you, plans to prosper you, not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. So breathe, Tito. Let go of the fear that keeps whispering doubts. Your journey is not in vain. Every step you take is guided. Every tears you've shed is seen. And every prayers you've whispered is heard. On your birthday, I pray for peace to fill your hearts, for strength to carry you through this waiting season, and for God's perfect timing to unfold your permanent residency in the most beautiful way. No matter what happens, remember, God never sends you anywhere without a purpose or without a plan. Do not fear the unknown. Do not fear of going home. God can raise you up for any place, Canada, in the Philippines, anywhere. Your destiny is not tied to a location, but to His promise. So celebrate today with courage and hope, because this year, God is working behind the scenes in ways you cannot yet see. Your story is still being written, and it will be a victorious one. Again, happy birthday, Tito.
Yeah.
I hope your day is filled with joy, laughter, and all the love you truly deserve. God bless you, Tito. Happy 50th birthday.
Happy birthday!
God bless. Bye.
Bye! Enjoy your special day!
Happy birthday, Uncle Dongdong.
Oh, Mama. Ma. Ina, happy birthday dong. Ma, sulti na.
Happy birthday, Dong.
Happy birthday, Noy!
Hoy!
Anoy, Shalini, Sama Munchay, akong anak si Kim, Ursula Bahaw, si Simon Lucas Bahaw, Munchay. Salamat, Noy, sa imong kaayo o ikaw hinungdan sa dugang kinabuhi ni Munchay. Salamat, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, brother! God bless!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Uncle Dudong.
Happy birthday dong. Happy na birthday pa. Kanta,
Happy birthday, Kuya.
Uncle Dudong.
Happy birthday, Uncle Dongdong.
Happy birthday, Dong.
Happy birthday.
Uncle Dudong. Uncle Dudong.
Happy birthday, Uncle Dongdong.
Say happy birthday, Uncle Wilmer.
Happy birthday, Uncle John Wilmer.
I'm Gali Kampugan. I'm from Cebu, Philippines, and I work in Saudi Aramco, Saudi Arabia. To begin with, I will never forget the moment in 2009 when you, Kuya Wilmer, Ate Rhea, and Kidos first met in Alcobar Corniche, Saudi Arabia. Murag 1 week ka pa lang ato, Ate Rhea, niabot gikan sa Philippines. And that was the beginning of our friendship. Ate Jenny and I proved that true friend is there for you no matter what. Moreover, moments of funny, laughter, joy, and sorrow were shared by our families. And the funniest part was when you and Ate Rhea gave a performance of Pasayawa Kuday at one of our Istaraha gatherings. Mayo kayo ang inyong performance, bisag wala mo'y practice. You both did well through good times and bad, even in the real life. You placed God at the center of everything and sought His wisdom before making any decisions. Happy birthday, Kuya Wilmer. May God's grace, joy, and wisdom be your companions always, and praying for many years filled with His blessings and peace. God bless.
May buntag, Rhea and Wilmer and family. Wilmer, happy 50th birthday o lipay kay mi nga naana mo diha ni Rhea sa lain nga lugar, di ang inyong mga anak tagpo na po, nag-eskwela na o sa imong birthday, manghinaot mi nga unta tagaan pa ka sa Ginoo, taas pa ka kinabuhi, daghan pa birthday nga celebrate o magngampo sa mi sa Ginoo nga ang gugma kalinaw mao gyud magpirmi ang hari sa inyong pinimalay nga ang Ginoo ang sentro sa inyong kinabuhi o sa imong birthday, enjoy and be blessed.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Sa naman ni Dairea, oy, musta naman mo diha? Happy birthday, Wilmer. Enjoy your day. Amping mo diha tanan. Sala. Bye.
Hello, Dong Wilmer. So it is really a privilege for me to be able to greet you on these golden years of yours. My goodness, you're already 50 years. But, recalling, because Rhea was telling me, special moments with you, there were moments especially before. And also even I'm here, even with a distance that we have. I remember sometimes you called me to ask some advices, and I'm so grateful for that, because I said, imagine, somebody really believe that even at a distance, we can really count on each other. And Dong, because you always believe in prayers, really, I'm so amazed of your faith. And then also, as a manang to you, I'm so proud, really, I'm so proud of you, because there were moments that you say, Manang, I remember when you are going to take the board exam, no? And then I told you, you really have to go to your papa, to your lola, lolo, you went to the cemetery, no? And really ask also for their help, and you believe in it. And then when you pass the board exam, it was a great joy for me, although it was a long time ago. But I always, when I thought of you, I always have that image of a person who always believe on what is the will of God, on how I believe in the advices. Really, Dong, I'm so amazed on you with this. So really a special prayer for you on your birthday, and really may God continuously bless you, Rhea, and the whole family with your children, no? That may God continuously bless you and continuously be with you, no? Amidst all the challenges in life. I know that being there being far from the family, I know there are also a lot of challenges, but once you are very much united with each other, with Ria, when there is love among you, when there is God in your midst, really everything is possible. So I'm so happy that I can greet you on this special day of yours, and also I thank Ria for calling or for messaging me to give you a message. I continue really to pray for you, Dong, ha? Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the love that you have for me, and also I'm sure for your family as well. Okay, happy birthday. Really a special prayer for you on that special day, on the 23rd of December. Okay, Dong, thank you so much. God bless you always, ha? Take care. Love you, Dong. Your Manang Susan.
Good evening po.
Good evening, Tito. Good
Hi,
evening from
Tito.
Jeddah.
Good evening from Jeddah. Ako si Tito Kokoy. And this is
Tita MJ.
from CFC Jeddah. Greeting you happy birthday, Tito.
Oh,
So, pinaka most memorable memory namin kay Tito is ang iyahang iyahang urge or iyahang ambition nga mahimong
Barangay Captain Tito.
kana. Tamong wish nimo to inig kadaog na nimo o mapolitiko na kato ayaw mi kalimti nga kuan mo nimo as contractor ha.
Ay, bitaw kalimut to. Seryoso, may anak to. Sa susunod na halalan to, supportado ka
Kana,
talaga
kana.
namin, Tito.
Wilmer for
Barangay Captain. Anyway, Tito, so we wish you a happiest birthdays.
happy 50th birthday to. We're praying for more birthdays to come. God bless.
God bless you, Tito, and your family. Regards to Tita Ria and the kids. Hoping that one day, mag-meet niya tabalik.
Yes, puhon.
Puhon kay Mingaw na
Luloy,
bibili
Ginoo.
ninyo. Di mi kalimot sa imuhang humor yun, Tito. Di yun na makalimtan. God bless you, Tito, and your family.
Bye.
And again, Merry Christmas na din. Bye!
Hey Wilma, how are you? Don't know if you remember me, this is Shamsu. A few years ago, we explored half of Saudi Arabia together. We went all the way up to Tabuk, Alula, and the rest of that area. I'm just glad that you are part of that experience with me. Anyway, I heard that it's your birthday coming up, so happy birthday. I wish you many happy returns, and remember, age is just a number. Keep having fun. Hope to see you sometime. Take care now. Bye.
May adlaw. My name is Dominic, and mangumusta ko sa akong amigo, gwapo, ikaduha ko. By Wilmer, di na ko makalimtan ato ang off-road, gimingaw minimo tanan grupo. It's really nice to remember. Sana magkita-kita tayo balik. Happy birthday, bye. Wish you all the best. More birthdays to come. We miss you. Kita-kita po.
Hi Wilmer, happy birthday!
Hello everyone. I'm Manang Koni Habagat. Dong ako mahinom nimo, gwapo ra jud gihapon ka. Happy 50th birthday. Enjoy your birthday. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday pa. Malipayong adlaw, tawhan ka. Naay mga tao sa kinabuhi nga ang kusog og pagpaningkamot nila'y maoy, nagpatukod sa lig-on nga patukuran sa pamilya. Para nako pa, ikaw gyud na. sa imong espesyal nga adlaw, gusto na kong ipahidumdum nimo unsa kanamo ka gihigugma o giila. Dili lang tungod sa imuhang gibuhat, pero tungod sa imong pagkamaayo nga tawo. Ikaw tong klase sa amahan nga dili maghulat og grasya. Kay kabalo ka nga kinahanglan gyud buhaton ang tanan. Nagkita nako nga pirmi ka magtrabaho ug taas nga oras. Usahay kapoy na pero wa gyud magreklamo. Sige kag ingon nga ang maayong kinabuhi dili ihatag kung di buhaton. Ug ikaw gyud ang nagbuhat ana para sa atong tanan. Ang imong pagpaningkamot o pagkadeterminado maoy usa sa mga butang nga pinakagipanaminan nako sa imuha. Nakadasig pod ka sa imong kalaman. Bisan di ka pirmi mosulti, basta makasulti ka, puno gyud og kahulugan. Makuha ra nimo ang hustong paagi bisan unsay kahimtang. Pagkalman nimo maski naa sa kasamok, kana nga kinaiya imo gyud nang haligi sa pamilya. Gipakita nimo nga ang tinuod nga kusog dili kinahanglang kusog ug tingog. Kun dili mao ang pagka matinud-anon, pagkasalig ug pagkatinuod sa pulong. Ganahan pud ko nga bisan unsa ka busy, makakita gihapon ka og oras para sa mga butang nga makapahimuot nimo. Kanang pagpangisda nimo pa, murag simbolo sa imong kinabuhi. Kalma, mapugnan o mapasalamaton sa mga yano nga kalipay. Nidot tan-awon nga bisan gamay ra mga butang makahatag gyud nimo og kalinaw sa imong adlawang natawhan. Hinaot nga makatagamtam ka na og pareho nga kalinaw ug kalipay. Angay gyud ka kapahulay ug malingaw. Dili lang nimo gihatagan ang atong pamilya og lig-on nga kinabuhi, pero imo pud kaming gitun-an nga kinabuhi dapat puno sa katuyuan. Ipakita nimo nga ang gugma dili lang puro mga dako nga buhat, kundili makita pud sa mga sakripisyo nga imong gihimo matag adlaw. Kana nga klase nga gugma mao gyud na ang magpabilin hangtod sa kahangturan. Busa karon gusto lang nako magpasalamat sa tanan nimong gibuhat, sa tanan nimong pagtudlo ug sa pagkamaayong amahan nga mapanghambog gyud bisan asa. Hinaot nga kining tuiga maghatag nimo og dugang kalipay, kahimsog ug kapahulayan. Ug hinaot pod nga daghan pa kag buntag nga makapangisda ka diha sa baybayon. Bugnaw ang hangin ug malinawon imong hunahuna. Malipayong adlaw natawhan ka pa. Hinaot daghan ka pang katuigan nga puno sa kalipay ug gugma. Ikaw gyud ang kasing-kasing sa tong pamilya. Ug gihugma ka namo pag-ayo.
Hello Kuya Wilmer, ito nga pala si Kuya Bien na bumabati sa iyo ng maligayang kaarawan sa iyong 50 taong pagsilang. Sa pag-abot mo sa malagang yugto ng iyong buhay, naway patuloy kang pagpalain ng mabuting kalusugan, kapayapaan ng isip at walang hanggang kasiyahan. Ang 50 taon ay patunay ng karunungan, lakas ng loob at marami pang magagandang karanasan na humubog sa kung sino ka ngayon. Salamat sa pagiging isang mabuting kaibigan, kuya, kumpare, na laging maasahan, masayahin at inspirasyon sa aming lahat. Naway, ang mga darating pang taon ay mapuno mo ng marami pang tagumpay, tawanan at masasayang alaala kasama ang mga mahal mo sa buhay. Muli, maligayang karawan at mabuhay ka ng mahaba. God bless! Hello, Kuya Wilmer. Ito nga pala si Kuya Bien na bumabati sa iyo ng maligayang karawan sa iyong 50 taong pagsilang. Sa pag-abot mo sa malagang yugto ng iyong buhay, naway patuloy kang pagpalain ng mabuting kalusugan, kapayapaan ng isip at walang hanggang kasiyahan. Ang 50 taon ay patunay ng karunungan, lakas ng loob at marami pang magagandang karanasan na humubog sa kung sino ka ngayon. Salamat sa pagiging isang mabuting kaibigan, kuya, kumpare, na laging maasahan, masayahin at inspirasyon sa aming lahat. Naway, ang mga darating pang taon ay mapuno mo ng marami pang tagumpay, tawanan at masasayang alaala kasama ang mga mahal mo sa buhay. Muli, maligayang karawan at mabuhay ka ng mahaba. God bless!
My name is Lance Limuel Bahao, the one and only son of my father, Wilmer. First and foremost, happy birthday, Pa. Truly, it's a miracle. Happy 50th birthday. My favorite memories of ours was actually back when I was younger, back to Saudi, and we would go out after you come home from work and stuff, and you always have jokes to just lighten up the mood. I really love those times because even though you worked so hard, you still had something left in you to try to bring the mood up. And I even remember the times that napapatawan lang ako sa iyak or napapayak ako sa tawa. I don't know. I don't remember the saying anymore, but one way or the other. But yeah, that was definitely one of my most favorite memories. Truly throughout my life. And I've seen how hardworking you are, how much of a great leader you are, and everything I do as a school or as extracurriculars or as a church and stuff, I wouldn't have been able to do all of those without your support and without having you as my role model. I truly have been so blessed to have a father like you. Happy birthday, and I love you.
Good day po sa lahat. We are the Imperial family from KSA, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Actually, nakilala namin ang family ni na Kuya Wilmer and Ate Rhea because magkasama kami sa aming small prayer group. We call it SPG Batong Buhay. And isa pa, naging kumpare namin siya because his daughter is our goddaughter, Lian. So, happy birthday, paring Wilmer. Let us sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kuya Wilmer.
Happy birthday, pare.
Happy birthday po.
Ingat kayo dyan.
God bless.
God bless.
Bye-bye. Yes,
Baka.
see you soon.
See you soon
See you
po.
soon.
See you soon.
Hello, Brad. Happy birthday. Hindi na ako malimutan ang mga activities nato sa Saudi. So, every weekends, which is Fridays or Saturdays, ato to sa beach, uban ng mga pamilya nilang bunuan, nilang sa SPG. And ang diin ako ang inspiration na nakuha na ko sa imo is yung pagka-loyal gid sa imong family. And sacrifice nimo tanan para sa imong family. And ang wish na mo sa imo is hopefully makuha nimo imong mga goals sa imong life, and especially sa goals sa imong family as well, and also sa ang imong plans ma-attain ninyo. Okay. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Wilmer. Golden boy ka na pala. Pero mukhang 30 lang. Sana dumami pa ang kagandahang lalaki mo sa pamamagitan nila, siyempre. At sa 50 anyos mong edad, napakarami mong magagandang katangian. So, sobra pa sa 50. At marami rin akong wish para sa'yo. Unang-una, ang magandang kalusugan para may pagpatuloy mo ang magandang hangarin sa buhay. Isa kang great provider. Para sa pamilya, gagawin ng lahat. At may mga isi-share ako sa iyo, mga video, pictures, mula pa sa ating pagsasama sa Saudi Arabia. At sa pangwakas, sana'y ma-enjoy mo ang araw mong ito sa pagiging golden boy. Happy birthday, Kuya Wilmer.
Hello, paring Wilmer.
Hello,
Happy birthday.
Pare Koy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po.
Ingat kayo dyan, and God bless, and more birthdays to come.
God bless.
Ingat.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, paring Wilmer. More babies. Blessings din naman yun. More blessings and God bless sa buong pamilya. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Ingat lagi! Love you all! Love you!